we could lose a generation of potential as more young Americans are forced to forego college dreams or the chance to train for the jobs of the future. It puts a tax cut into the pockets of working families and places a down payment on America's future by investing in energy independence and education, affordable health care, and it will take time and it will take effort. But working together, we will turn this crisis into opportunity and emerge from our painful present into a brighter future. That's why it includes $2 trillion in deficit reduction, while making historic investments in America. As surely as our future depends on building a new energy economy, controlling healthcare costs, and ensuring that our kids are once again the best educated in the world, it also depends on restoring a sense of responsibility and accountability to our federal budget. But we can't settle for a future of rising deficits and debt that our children can't pay. We're making steady progress towards recovery, but we must ensure that the legacy of this recession is an American economy that rewards work and innovation, that's guided by fairness and responsibility, and that grows steadily into the future. Most important, it's a plan that will trigger the creation of millions of new jobs for Americans who will produce the wind turbines and solar panels and develop the alternative fuels to power the future. I don't accept a future where Americans forego health care because they can't pay for it, and more families go without coverage at all. Yesterday, the House of Representatives passed a historic piece of legislation that will open the door to a clean energy economy and a better future for America. We're not a people who fear the future. The future I absolutely reject. Today I want to speak with you about the stakes of this debate for our people and for the future of our nation. This means investing in the research and development that will produce the technologies of the future, which in turn will help create the industries and jobs of the future. Innovation. We must lay a new foundation for future growth and prosperity. And a key pillar of a new foundation is health insurance reform. Reform that we are now closer to achieving than ever before. We can come together and listen to one another. I believe, as I always have, that we will rise to this moment, we will build something better for our children, and we will secure America's future in this new century. As we remember all that was lost, we must take stock of the work being done on recovery while preparing for future disasters. And that's why we're announcing several common sense changes that will help families put away money for the future. I refuse to allow that future to happen.